Class 6 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter will be 14 and that is equations, and it is your part 2. Let us start. So example 1, if 5 is added to a number, the number becomes 20. What is the number? So let the number be x. 5 is added to number. So according to question, yes, 5 added to a number, so x plus 5 added to numbers becomes 20, so it becomes 20. Now subtracting 5 on both sides. So x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 20 minus 5. So here will be 5 will be cancelled out, so we get x is equal to 15. So 15 your answer. So you can check your answer. How can check? Suppose your 15 number 5 is added. So you can add the 5, so it becomes 20. So your answer is correct because here is 20. Let us see the second one. 6 subtracted from a number makes it 10. What is the number? So let the number be x. 6 subtracting from a number, so x minus 6, it gives 10. So that one is 10. Now adding 10 on both sides. So here is x minus 6 plus 10, not 10, adding 6. The number adding is 6, not 10. So this one be plus 6 and equal to 10 plus 6. So 6 will be cancelled out, so we get x equal to 16. So that one is your answer. So you can write the number is 16. First, now check when 16 subtracting a 6. So here is subtract to 6, we get 10. So our answer is correct. So now the example 3. 7 added to twice a number makes 37. What will be the number? So let the number be x. So 7 added to twice a number 2x. 7 added, so plus 7. It becomes 37. So let us do something. 7 subtracted subtracting 7 on both sides. What will be happen? So 2x plus 7 minus 7, it is 37 minus 7. So it becomes only 2x and here is 30. Now dividing by 2 on both sides. What will be open? 2x and here is 30, so divided by 2, so 2 will be cancelled out, 2 1 are 2 and 2 15 are 30, so x will be 15. 15 is your number, so you can write here. Now check the answers. Twice a number, so you will be 15 into 2, so it gets 30 and 7 added, so you can add the 7, it becomes 37. That one and that one is the same, so your answer is correct. So you have to write here number be x. So that is your answer. Let us see the example 4. One third of a number gives 11. Find the number. So let the number be x. So according to question, what will be happen? One third of number, so it is the one third, that is 1 by 3 of x. One third of a number gives 11, so you can say it is 11. Now multiplying by 3 on both sides. Multiplying by 3 on both sides. What will be happen? So 1 by 3x into 3 is equal to 11 into 3. So 3 will be cancelled out. So x will be equal to 33. So that one is your answer. You can check here. When 33 divided by 3, it gives 11. So 11 and this 11 both are the same. So our answer will be correct. Now the sum of ages of Malti and her friend father is 49 years. If Malti is 12 years old, find out how old is her father. So let us see here what will be happen. The sum of ages of Malti. Let the age of her father be x year. So according to question, sum of the ages of Malti and her father. So Malti age is 12 years and father age is x. So x plus 12, it will be gives 49 according to question. So now subtracting 12 on both sides. Subtracting 12 on both sides. It gives x plus 12 minus 12, and here is 49 minus 12. So 12 will be cancelled out. So we get x equal to 9 minus 2, that is 7. 4 minus 1, that is 3. And the father is, so you can write her father is equal to 37. So that one is your answer. Now example 6. Shivani has only 50 paise coins in her purse. If she has 25 rupees in her purse, so how many coins are there in her purse? Let there is and there is x coins. Let there is x coins. So according to question, 50 paise coin. So you can write 50 paise coin, that means 0.50. We change the rupees into paise, so that is the fault. You can do the change the paise only, rupees change into the paise. So 50 paise coin, so 50 into x will be equal to 25 rupees. So 25 multiply by 100 because it becomes paise. So 25 rupees is equal to 25 into 100 paise. Yes. So now dividing by 50 on both sides. So it will be x 50x upon 50 equal to 25 into 100 divided by 50. So 50 2 ja, and here will be 50 with cancel to 50. So x becomes 25 2 ja 50. So 50 coins. 50 coins. So that one is your answer. So let us see the exercise, that is the 14.2. And the first question, that one is the first question, solve the following equation. That is the x minus 3 equal to minus 4. Now adding 3 on both sides. What will be happen? So x minus 3 plus 3 equal to minus 4 plus 3. 3 will be cancelled out. So x will be equal to minus 3 and plus minus 4 and plus 3, that becomes only minus 1. So that one is your answer. Let us see here. It is z minus 8 is equal to 0. Now adding 8 on both sides. So what will be happen? Z minus 8 plus 8, and here is 0 plus 8. So 8 will be cancelled out. So z will be equal to 8, and that is your answer. So let us see in the third question. It will be 3y is equal to 9. So you can say here dividing by 3 on both sides. So this will be 3y upon 3 and 9 upon 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 cancel with 3. So we get y is equal to 3. 3 is as your answer. Now fourth part. In fourth part there is 16 is equal to 3y plus 7. First of all, change the side. So what will be happen? 3y plus 7 equal to 16. Now subtracting 7 on both sides. So this will be equal to 3y plus 7 minus 7, and here is 16 minus 7. So 3y equal to 7 cancel with 7, and here is, that is the 11. So y will be equal to, it is not 11, it is 9. So it is your 9. Now dividing by 3 on both sides. So it is 3y upon 3 and 9 upon 3. 3 3 ja 9, and here is 3 cancel with 3. So y is equal to 3, and 3 is your answer. So let us see the next one. The first solution of the following equation. So what will be happen in this fourth part? Fifth part, that one, thus you can write here, and that is the 5 plus x upon 3 equal to 7. Subtracting 5 on both sides. So 5 plus x by 3 minus 5 equal to 7 minus 5. So 5 will be cancelled out. So we get x upon 3 is equal to 2. Now multiply by 3 on both sides. So it is x by 3 into 3, and here is 2 into 3. 3 will be cancelled out. So we get x equal to 6, and 6 is your answer. Let us see the next equation, that is the 6. So 9z minus 7 is equal to 14. Adding 7 on both sides. It is 9z minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 7. So 9z 7 cancel with 7 and 14 and 7, that is 21. So dividing by 9 on both sides. So it is 9z by 9 and 21 upon 9. 9 cancel this one. So 3 3 are 9 and 3 7 are 21. So z will be equal to 7 by 3, and that is your answer. Now second question, solve the given equation and verify your answers. So first of all, solve this equation. So this will be 3, 2 plus x is equal to 12. So first of all, dividing by 3 on both sides. It will be 3, 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 12 upon 3. So 3 cancel with 3 and 3 4 are 12. So 2 plus x equal to 4. Now subtracting 2 on both sides. So it is 2 plus x minus 2, and here is 4 minus 2. So 2 will be cancelled out. So we get x equal to, that is 2. So 2 is your answer. Let us see here the equation. 10 minus z is equal to 6. Now subtracting 10 on both sides. So it is 10 minus z minus 10 is equal to 6 minus 10. So that is the 10 cancel with 10. So we get minus z is equal to minus 4. Now change the sign. On both sides. So z will be equal to 4. So that is your answer. Now question number second and the third part. So that one is the x upon 5 is equal to 15. Multiplying by 5 on both sides. So it is x upon 5 into 5, and here is 15 into 5. So 5 will be cancelled out. So we get x equal to 15 5 ja 75. So 75 is your answer. Now in the fourth part, it is the 7 minus 4y will be equal to 3. Now subtracting 7 on both sides. Subtracting 7 on both sides. What will be given? 7 minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 3 minus 7. 7 will be cancelled out. So minus का 4y is equal to minus 4. Dividing by minus 4 on both sides. So here is minus 4y divided by minus 4, and here is minus 4 minus 4. So minus 4 minus minus cancel, 4 will be also cancel, and here is minus minus cancel, and 4 1 ja 4. So y becomes 1, and 1 is as your answer. So let us see the next question, and that is the twice a number makes it 10. What is the number? So let the number be x. So according to question, what will be happen? Twice a number, that means 2x. Makes 10, so that becomes 10. Now dividing by 2 on both sides. So it is 2x upon 2. Here is 10 upon 2. 2 5 are 10 and 2 1 are 2. So what will be happen? So x will be equal to 5. So number be x. So number you can write here, number is equal to 5. So that one is your answer. Now come to the fourth question. That is the fourth question. If we added to twice a number, 85 is obtained. Find the number. So let the number be x. 35 is added to a twice a number. So twice a number 2x. 35 is added, so plus 35 becomes 85. So now subtracting 35 on both sides. So 2x plus 35 minus 35, it becomes 85 minus 35. So 35 will be cancelled out. And here is 2x. So 5 minus 5, that is 0, or 8 minus 3, that is the 5. Now dividing by 2 on both sides. So it will be 2x divided by 2, and here is 50 divided by 2. So 2 2 5 and 2 5 10. So here x will be equal to 25. So you have to write number equal to 25. Number is equal to 25 is your answer. So let us see in this. How many 25 paise coin would make 10 rupees? Yes. So first of all, 10 rupees is equal to 10 into 100 paise. So that becomes 1000 paise. So how many 25 paise? Let 25 paise coin be x. So you have to write let 25 paise coins be x. So 25x will be equal to 1000 according to question. So you can say in short A by C. That is the according to question. Now dividing by 25 on both sides. So it will be 25 of x upon 25. Here is 1000 divided by 25. So 25 will be cancelled out. 25 4 is 100 and 1 0. So x will be equal to 40. So the number of 25 paise coin, 25 paise coins is equal to 40. So that will be your answer. Now come to the sixth question. That is your sixth question. If 4 subtracted from the half of a number, we get 6. So you can say let the number be x. 4 subtracted, so you can say minus 4. Half of the number, so it is the x by 2, half of the number, and it becomes 6. Now adding 4 on both sides. So x by 2 minus 4 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 4. So 4 will be cancelled out. So x by 2 is equal to 10. Now multiplying by 2 on both sides. So x by 2 into 2 is equal to 10 into 2. So this 2 will be cancelled to this. So we get x equal to 20. So 20 is your answer. You can write here number is equal to 20. Now the seventh question. Uma has few meters of clothes. If she makes 4 curtains of 2 meters each, is she still has 5 meters of the clothes. Find out how much clothes did she have in the beginning. So let Uma have X meter clothes in the beginning. So according to question, Uma has few meter clothes. If she makes 4 curtain of 2 meters, 4 curtain of 2 meters, that is the 4 into 2. So total number is x, 4 curtain of 2 meters. So we get only 5 meter is remaining. So that one is. So x minus 4 to the 8 equal to 5. Now adding 8 on both sides. So x minus 8 plus 8 will be equal to 5 plus 8. So 8 will be cancelled out. So x equal to 5 plus 8, that is 13. So 13 meter close. So Uma have 13 meter cloth in the beginning. So that one is your answer. ये एक्सरसाइज फिनिश्ड हो रही है. द एक्सरसाइज इज फिनिश्ड. नाउ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड शेयर टू ऑल एंड लाइक आल्सो माय चैनल. मेरे चैनल को लाइक करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और शेयर करेंगे, और जिससे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज इस एक्सरसाइज को क्लोज करता हूँ.